AREB stock analysis and AREB stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. American Rebel holding stock. I'm just not even surprised about the price because it's so crappy. I mean, I don't like it at all. I don't adore. 6% down. Context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentorships, all that, and documented everything. And the first thing that I mentioned is that I don't like the price whatsoever. Yeah, that's still the truth for me at least. Looking at it from the even weekly chart, this is the supply area that we're in. We got the lows right there. And I will only be interested in this thing from like a bullish lens if the price really starts to break 385. That's that. But we're nowhere near that. We're at 202. So the lack of this taking lows out is quite hard, but I don't want to bet on a thing that I don't even am going to trade. But in theory, if I see some breaks beneath these lows, then it's a short. Everything else in the meantime is a no man's land to me, meaning I'm not interested. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.